In the previous videos, we have seen decision variables that are real-valued or binary, but sometimes integer-valued decision variables are handy. Binary 0-1 variables are a special case. Quite often, we like to have non-negative integer variables. In the furniture production problem, for instance, which was used as an example in previous videos, we didn't worry about the integrality of the variable's values. In that application, however, we could have used non-negative integer variables for the number of tables and chairs. A bit more general are integers. Similar to the real-valued case that was discussed in a previous video, integer variables can always be replaced by two non-negative integer variables. In some applications, we prefer to specify domains that are intervals. Occasionally, sets of parameters v1, v2, and so on are convenient. Such domains can be represented with the help of binary variables y1, y2, and so on as follows.